morning, good morning. Good morning, may buntag Cebu. Na ako karon sa Mandani Bay. Ganda guys. This is Mandani Bay, Cebu. Opening soon. Habang naglalakad. This is the view. Pretty nice. There's a Tower 1, Tower 2. This is the boardwalk. So diri siya maglo-walking every afternoon and every morning. Open to public. It's pretty nice. Hey, this is gonna be my new spot for walking.
Sinulog na.
So bye guys. Tapos na ang aming site tour sa Mandani Bay, Cebu. Good morning, good morning. Bye!